I have a secret growth hack, especially if you are in network marketing. In this week's video, I'm going to share with you how you can grow your business through the power of social media. So how I was able to help other social sellers just like yourself grow their businesses through the power of social media is, well, yeah, you guessed it, video content. So in this week's video, I want to share with you 5 ways that you can stand out in your own niche through video. Okay, I know there's already a few of you who are watching this video right now and are cringing at the thought of showing up on video. If that is you, leave me a comment below this video, but make sure to keep watching right to the end because I'm going to share with you some quick tips that I have if you are that type of person, or maybe you're a little bit shy of the camera, and ways that you can show up more confident even if you lack it. Hey guys, Katelyn Redding here, CEO and lead strategist of KR Video Marketing Agency, where we help coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs expand their reach, get more visible, and grow their businesses through video content. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell if you want to learn how you too can grow your businesses online, on social media through video content. Okay, let's just get into it. Now, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time explaining why video content. If you want to learn why video content performs so well and why use video marketing in your strategy altogether, well, just go watch this video right here where I take a deeper dive behind why video content performs so well. Or just go ahead and check out this video right here. Now, the first way that you can stand out in your niche through video content is, first and foremost, and arguably the most important, is by providing value for your ideal clients and business partners. Now, providing value for your clients and business partners simply means that you're solving their problems and their pain points, you're answering their frequently asked questions, and objecting or coming up through the objections of what their hesitations are, and you're answering that through video. The second most important factor when it comes to really standing out in your niche is to show up consistently. Yeah, this might seem a little bit obvious to you, but showing up consistently just really means that you're constantly and consistently getting in front of your audience and your ideal clients and business partners. Now, that might sound a little bit in your face, but if you're listening to point 1 and providing value all the time, then they're actually looking forward to your content and you're not going to be annoying. So not only do you have to show up consistently, but you have to show up consistently on brand. So the different platforms that you can use, speaking primarily to Instagram through video, is showing up on your stories, in your short form videos, which includes your reels or videos that fit right onto your grid. These are called your feed videos, or even with long form videos, which includes your lives and IGTVs. Now, you obviously want to encompass all of that within your strategy or social media strategy, but showing up in the right place with the right piece of content is the most important factor here. Now, with all of the platforms that they offer, you're really truly getting to build the know, like, and trust factor with your audience. And the way that you're really doing this is using the short form videos combined with the long form videos to build the like, know, and trust. Now, before I go any further, I already know what you're thinking. When it comes to video, there's a lot more to know about it, and there's a way to show up and even what to say in your videos. So don't worry, I got you covered. And in the description under this video, you can go ahead and download my free video checklist where I will teach you exactly what apps to use, how to film your videos, how to make those videos look professional, and even what you should say in your videos so that it actually guides your audience to take action where you want them to take action. So again, just go to the description under this video and download your free video checklist today. Now, the third way to stand out in your niche on video is through creating binge-worthy material. Now, why is this so important? There's a couple things here to remember. There's one, the algorithm, and the fact that you're just getting in front of your audience and your audience is actually watching your video content. So when it comes to the algorithm, the fact that you're creating this binge-worthy material is showing Instagram, showing the platform that this audience, your audience, is actually wanting to listen and watch more of your videos. They're actually spending a lot more time on your platform, your profile individually, and that just tells them that, hey, this person actually really likes to see this content and wants more content. So what will Instagram do? It will push you out to that person in particular. And in fact, it will actually push it out to people who are like that or have similar profiles to that individual. So creating that binge-worthy or that cyclical material within your videos is so key. And in fact, this is actually something that is so simple when you're posting consistently, providing value in your videos online. Now, this isn't something that's so easy to create when you're just only posting graphics and captions and things like that. So video, again, binge-worthy material, it just goes to prove that you can actually get in front of your audience, and your audience could spend like 30 minutes just watching you and spending time on your profile alone. Now, with that said, the fact that somebody's spending that much time on your content, watching your videos, learning more about what it is that you have to offer, they're going to build that know, like, and trust factor that is so important. And in fact, again, I go over it right here in that video there, where it comes to why and how to build the know, like, and trust factor in your videos. So the fact that somebody's now spending more time on your profile, not only are you going to be pushed out as far as Instagram is concerned, but that is also deepening the relationship with that person in particular. So the likelihood of them taking action now is a lot higher. And in fact, you're really truly taking that person who might even be a complete stranger or a complete cold lead online and warming them up, dripping on them. And then when they're actually ready to, book a discovery call with you, they're already warm to hot. They're sitting at a level of, 5 to an 8 out of an interest level, and they're actually intrigued to learn more. Now, the fourth way, and this way is, I see this done a lot, and most people automatically think when they need to make a video, they need to share their story. Now, I'm going to debunk myth, I don't know, a couple things when it comes to sharing your story, because most times we think about sharing your story in sharing your opportunity story, though, why you started your business, blah, 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 that we're so almost numb to hearing now. But what I actually want you to do is share your brand story. So remember, you're on brand, you've figured out your niche. Again, go watch this video right here if you want to learn more about all that process and sharing your brand story and why your brand means so much to you and how you actually came up with your brand. That is more relationship building. That is what your audience is actually wanting to learn. Now, here's the other thing about showing up and sharing your story on video is that your audience is actually craving to learn more about you, to learn about that person who is behind the camera, who is behind those images, who is showing up on their feed. They want to learn more about you. And by sharing your story, your brand story, they're going to feel a lot more connected to it. And again, want to take action because they feel the power, the mission, the values that you have, and they are connected with that. Now, the last way to show up on video on social media is through your DMs. Yes, sharing a video in your direct messages. Now, this is something that might make a few people uncomfortable, but it is so personable, especially if you're sending that message right then and there in the moment. It's like you're actually having a one-on-one conversation with someone, and it's so much more easier to understand the person's tone because you'll hear their tone, but you'll also see their facial expressions, which is why video messaging in your DMs is actually even better than voice messaging. Now, voice messaging still an awesome tool to use. And in fact, if you're going to message me on Instagram or through my DMs, you can definitely expect to get a voice note back, if not a video note. And again, if we're going back to the know, like, and trust, this is how you're really going to get somebody to know you. Again, very important when you're building relationships. And if you want that relationship to actually take action on what you have to offer. If you made it this far into the video, you probably want to know those tips on how you can actually feel more confident, especially if you're that person who is a little bit shy, especially to show up on camera. So here are some quick fire tips for you to get yourself feeling more confident, even if you don't quite feel that way, and show up on video so that you too can get these amazing results in your own business. Now, my first tip for you is actually that it's not confidence that you need, it's courage. You need to build your courage, or you need that courage to first show up even when you feel like your legs are shaking, you're nervous as hell. get that courage, because over time, the courage will build the confidence. Number 2 is to pump yourself up. Do a pre-video ritual to get the blood flowing, get your energy levels going. For me, it's doing my hair, getting my makeup on, and pumping some Kelly Clarkson to get the blood flowing and getting myself in the mood to be on video. And that rolls right into my next tip on do what makes you feel good about yourself. So if that is doing your hair, doing your makeup, feeling good, putting on some sexy lingerie, whatever it is that gets you feeling a little bit more confident in your skin, then do that. Just because that confidence will just protrude right through the camera, right through that person's screen. Now, on the lines of energy is to stand up in your videos. I am currently standing right now, and the reason why is that it's kind of like the Tony Robbins thing, where it actually gets the energy flowing through your body, gets the blood going, and that energy is so important because you need to transpire the energy through 2 screens, your own camera lens and into the other person's screen, so that they can feel the energy. It's not about how you or what you say in your videos, it's more about how you make somebody feel. Now, that rolls right into my next tip on don't talk, because a lot of the times why we're actually nervous to show up and be on video is because we're afraid of stumbling on our words. Well, if you actually just watch back on my videos, I'm sure you're gonna realize that I'm actually not that great at speaking. However, I don't care, because I love to be on video and I want the results of video marketing within my own business. And then my last tip for you is just to start small. Get yourself, again, build that courage, and it might just be that you're showing up in your stories and you're only doing 1 minute total in a day, 4 15-second little breaks of flipping that camera around and showing your face. Start there, and over time you'll get more comfortable. You'll be able and more willing to open up to the idea of showing up in more videos. Now, last but certainly not least is just make sure that you are having fun with it. And Reels is a really great way, or TikTok is a really great way to have fun on video. And if you want to check out my full how to post, how to make a reel, then just go watch this video right here, where I walk you step by step on how to post and make a reel, especially if you are just beginning. So make sure you download my video checklist, because I'm going to walk you through the ways, the different apps you can use, how to have good lighting, make your videos look professional, especially when you're just starting out. And that's all in my free video checklist that you can download in the description part of this video. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every Sunday when I post a new video. If you want to learn more tips on how to show up on video and how to utilize video marketing within your business and how to actually use social media to grow your business, then make sure you, again, subscribe to this channel, but also go ahead and watch these videos right here so that you can learn all things video marketing, social media, and growing your business. With that said, I will see you guys next week.